Adobe and Microsoft are collaborating to bring the best productivity solutions to market. Let's see how the combination of Adobe Sign and Microsoft Teams unlocks productivity for your entire organization by digitizing the signature and approval process in Teams. Microsoft Teams is a unified online workspace where teams can work together with team conversations, document collaboration, shared scheduling, online meetings, and more. Often, business processes implemented in Microsoft Teams would benefit from e-signature and e-approval capabilities. For example, with sales and procurement, you can automate gathering signatures for statements of work, terms and conditions, change orders, and more. With human resources, you can cut costs, reduce delays, and get HR electronic contracts turned around at record speed. For legal business needs, you can quickly sign NDAs, contracts, compliance, and licenses, complete with a built-in audit trail. When looking to add e-signature and e-approval capabilities to your business processes, you'll want to use Adobe Sign, Microsoft's preferred e-signature solution. You can use Adobe Sign to get signatures and approvals, send documents for acceptance and delivery, fill and sign, track documents and set reminders, and documents are archived in Teams with a legal audit trail. Adding Adobe Sign to Teams is easy. Just click on the ellipsis, then click More Apps. Click Adobe Sign, then select the team. Click Install. Once you've completed the installation, you can now send documents for signature directly in Teams. Just complete the information, add the file, and click Send. Then you're off. On the receiving side, the agreement can be signed on any device. Here you can see Brian signing the NDA on his phone. He can use his finger to sign the NDA and then send the form, and he's done. Back in Teams, the Adobe Sign Team Bot lets everyone know that the document has been signed, and you can look at the form directly in Teams. Using Flow with Teams and Adobe Sign, you can create custom workflows to support your business processes with built-in triggers and actions. For example, you can automatically store signed documents to Dynamics 365, OneDrive for Business, and SharePoint. Adobe Sign is integrated not only with Teams, but also with Office 365, Power Apps, and Microsoft Dynamics. You can also integrate Adobe Sign into applications and infrastructure running in Azure. Adobe Sign, Microsoft's preferred and best choice for an e-signature and e-approval solution.